For this lesson, we will be recognizing visual information at work. Let's assume Oscar starts his shift in a restaurant kitchen in Naga City. A new sheet of rows and columns hangs on the wall, just like the one that you see on the screen. Next door, a mechanic's manual shows lines and dots, not sentences. At work, much of what you need to know is a picture. Pictures like these are called visual information: tables, diagrams, charts, and signs. By the end of this video, you can name any workplace visual and read the part you need. Naming it fast helps you find answers and report problems clearly. Now, the four types of visual information are as follows. A table sets information in rows and columns. A diagram is a drawing of parts and how they connect. A chart shows numbers as a picture, like bars or a line. And a sign carries one message with shape and the color. Now, let's name the sheet on Oscar's wall. It holds days, jobs, and names in rows and columns. Now, rows and columns, is this a table or a chart? I want you to look closely now. It is a table, because the information sits in rows and columns. A common trap is to call every busy sheet a chart. Mixing them up means rusty reading, not really a failure. We just need to check the shape. A chart would show numbers as a picture, like bars. Now Oscar tries to read across the Monday row, and he sees that he needs to cook rice. Now let's try another example, this time with a manual page. A battery, a switch, and a lamp is shown. Straight lines join them, with dots where the wires connect. No days and no names. This is a drawing of parts. A drawing of connected parts is called a diagram. Specifically for this one, this is a wiring diagram. Now another example, this time a page from a weather station in Baguio City. Dates run along the bottom, just like what you see on the screen. The temperature in degrees Celsius runs up the side, and then you have a dot for each of the day with a line that connects each of the dot. Now numbers drawn as a picture. No rows of names, no connected parts. Is this a table or a chart? Again, look closely now. It is a chart because it shows numbers as a picture. We read the line, not a row. It climbs from left to right. And that climbing line means the temperature is rising day by day. Now your turn with a new visual. On a freezer's temperature chart, the line climbs from left to right. What is happening to the temperature? Is it going up or down? The line climbs, so the temperature is going up. Numbers is a picture, you read a chart. Now, a recap of the words that we have learned for this video. A table holds information in rows and columns. A diagram is a drawing of parts. A chart shows numbers as a picture. And again, a sign speaks with a shape and a color. From this video, you learned to name the type, say what it shows, then find the part you need. That is how a wall of pictures becomes answers you can use.